Hello and welcome to the second Model Rail video, which both complements and enhances our monthly Model Rail magazine. Your appreciative letters following our first video told us very clearly that you wanted more, so we set to work straight away. We've got another fantastic selection of models and some truly great layouts, both indoors and out, together with some expertly demonstrated modelling technique to really show you how. There's a close look at Barlow Junction in 00 gauge, a loft layout built by Keith Jaggers in Stockport, showing this rural outpost in Great Western days. We visit the Suffolk garden of Barry Walls to enjoy the East Coast Main Line in O gauge, including a cast concrete model of Welling Viaduct. Blackpool trams by Lancastrian Alan Catlow. And, if X Works isn't for you, Model Rail editor Chris Lee demonstrates the skills needed to give your locomotives and stock that authentic weathered look. Here in southern England, we're also going to go behind the scenes at Britain's last model railway factory, where everything from design to construction is still done under one roof. Indeed, they even make their own packaging here. This is the Poole home of Graham Farish Limited, Britain's biggest manufacturer of ready-to-run N-gauge equipment. Steam, diesel and electric locomotives, passenger and goods stock, scenery, buildings, controllers. You can even buy a complete plug-in and go railway if you want a model layout but you haven't time to build one yourself. Graham Farish markets its N-gauge range as masterpieces in miniature, and this is no idle boast. The delicate tooling and fine details survive the closest scrutiny, and the range is kept bang up to date. With locomotives and wagons being introduced steadily nowadays, there's no shortage of new trains to add to the extensive steam range. Not only do we take quality like this for granted these days, we actually expect improving standards from our model manufacturers year by year. So, how do you move from idea to reality? Well, just like Gresley or Stanier before him, Farish design manager Greg Phillips starts in his drawing office when creating this range of models.